Tonight, after a possible murder-suicide, their bodies were found this morning at a home in Harvey. Deputies say the father called 911 telling them to come to the house. Good evening, I'm Sharice Gibson.
And I'm Devin Bartolotta. Investigators say right now that 911 call is some of the only information they have in this case.
Relatives spoke to us earlier today. Eleanor Tabone has a look into the struggles that family was facing.
It's tragic, and it's scary because, who wants to hear something bad happen?
Inside this home on 11th and Curtis, a gruesome scene. A family found dead. Parents Tim and Joanna Regis, her 20-year-old son Eric Thornblue, and their son 14-year-old Timothy Regis, who had special needs.
The house is pretty deplorable inside itself, but there's some notes along with weapons that indicate that looks like it's going to be some type of murder-suicide.
Family members say the victims were struggling with financial problems.
He wasn't working the last almost 3 years, and he did get a job recently, and he had to lose it because she was having medical issues, and they had an autistic son, and he had to be here to take care of him because he wasn't socially where a lot of people could take care of him.
Jefferson Parish Sheriff Joe Lapinto describes what the father told 911 call takers.
We can't live like this anymore, something to that standpoint, and you'll find 4 bodies when you get here, and that's what we found.
Dr. Reggie Parkway with Tulane School of Social Work says there is help for those suffering financial pressure and depression.
And it creates a level of stress. It creates a level of pressure. It creates a level of depression that if they don't have the resources to help cope with those things, as well as the financial resources to meet their needs, poor outcomes can happen.
But he says while there's mental health facilities around, not everyone has access to them, so experts need to go to them.
If one does not have the financial means or an automobile to get to a service center facility, the members of those service center facilities have to get in their cars and go to those places.
If you need mental health assistance, you can visit the Metropolitan Human Services Center in New Orleans or the Jefferson Parish Human Services Authority in Metairie. If you need to talk to someone immediately, you can call the National Suicide Hotline 211 or the local crisis line on 504-832-5123. Devin.
So tragic. Thank you so much, Eleanor.